Listen to the sound of the city. Listen to the sound of my town. New York is the city of cities. New York is still wearing the crown. Listen to the sound of the city. Listen to the people I love. Everyone is speaking your language. New York speaks in your native tongue. New York, we're skating down Broadway at midnight or midday. We do our own thing. New York, a city with gusto. New York is a big show. It's what's happening. Listen to the sound of the city. Listen to the cats on the street. New York is the fans of the Yankees. New York is a cop on a beat. Listen to the sound of the city. Listen to the steeple bells chime. New York is a city of magic. New York is a hip state of mind. New York, the city of nightlife. The city of bright light. We're doing our part. New York, the city of fashion. The city of passion. This town has a heart. Listen to the sound of the city. New York is the pulse of the world. New York is the Mecca that's Broadway. New York is the smile on your girl. Listen to the sound of the city. Listen to the sound of my town. You can take a ride on a tramway. Hold your breath while you're coming down. New York, perpetual motion. From ocean to ocean, there's none to compare. New York, the parks and the playgrounds. New York is the sweet sound of children at play. Listen to the sound of the city. New York after dark is alive. Uptown in the Bronx or in Harlem, New York is a city with pride. Listen to the sound of the city. New York is both future and past.